Okay, here I am at 1220 Star Drive or Star Walker Center, and here comes the elevator here. Otis Series 1. Here it is. Indicator. No indicator. Outside indicator, so just re-level itself. So here we go. I was just blowing pipe and it's been the first time since quite a while. This thing hasn't been touched yet, so it's still original. Yep. The ground light button's turned out. Burned out, I should say. Do a cab view, Otis. First early series 1, back to ground. Dark closure when you push the button. For a while, here we go. Cottage. Sorry, that's one of my vocal tics. You're on ground now. Watch it level. No classic leveling. Watch it go. Ready for it to close. And that sums it up. Thanks for watching.